So our method for measurement was the mirror method. We had me stand here in front of the swing set so that I could see the dot on the mirror at eye level. Then we measured up until my eye level, which was 162.5 centimeters. We made sure that I could see the swing set and then measured the distance from the mirror to the swing set, which was 367 centimeters. We then made a direct measurement of the height of the swing set.
From our diagram, we can derive these two triangles.
So these first two right angles, angle P and angle B, have already been proven as 90 degrees because both the person and the pole are straight up. Due to the law of reflection, if a vertical line is drawn from the mirror up, it will be perpendicular to the ground. This means that these two angles are right angles. Since you are looking down at the mirror at the same angle as the top of the swing set, we know this because you can see the top of the swing set, these two angles are equal. Since this is a 90-degree angle and this angle cuts the 90-degree angle while also being shared with the other triangle, means that this angle is also shared. Due to the triangle similarity postulate, since two angles are in common with both triangles, we can say that the triangles are similar. Being similar means that all sides are proportional, which allows us to do proportions.
Now that we know that we can use proportions, we can set them up. We do px over xb, and then we do ep over x. Next, since we actually put the numbers in, and then we cross multiply, since that's what you do with proportions. So you would end up with 209.3x equals 59,637.5. And then you would divide by 209.3 to get 284.9. The direct measurement of the swing set came out to be 294.5 centimeters. The indirect measurement that we calculated was 284.9 centimeters. These measurements are very similar to each other, even though they may not be exactly the same. Although there is a difference of 9.6 centimeters between the measurements, they are both in the upper 200s. Because these measurements are so similar, it is safe to assume that our calculations are mostly accurate. There is a bigger chance of our direct measurement being inaccurate compared to our indirect measurement. This is because we had to approximate our answer, since the swing set was so tall. Some possible errors that could have occurred in our data collections are misinterpretation, not accounting for all of the parts of the swing set, and measuring on a surface that wasn't straight. Another one could be that the swing set was more than a meter tall, which made it very difficult to measure.